This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter change. Warning: it is highly recommended to wear protective gloves during this procedure. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Remove the center portion of the under-vehicle splash shield. Place the drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Loosen the drain plug, then unscrew it by hand. Allow the old oil to drain into the pan. Reinstall the plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Position the drain pan underneath the oil filter. Loosen the oil filter by turning it counterclockwise with a filter wrench. Allow the oil to drain. Once the filter is loose, use your hands to unscrew it from the block. Empty out the oil from the old filter into the drain pan. Make sure that none of the old gasket remains stuck to the mounting surface. Using a clean rag, wipe off the filter mounting surface on the block. Smear some engine oil on the rubber gasket of the new filter, then screw it into place. Over-tightening the filter will damage the gasket. The filter should only go on 3/4 turn past the point when the gasket comes in contact with the mating surface. Install the splash shield. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Release the parking brake. Remove the oil filler cap. Add new oil of the specified type to the engine. Use a funnel to prevent oil from spilling onto the top of the engine. Wait a few minutes to allow the oil to drain into the pan. With the oil added to the engine, remove the funnel and reinstall the oil filler cap. Engine oil level. Pull the dipstick from the valve cover and wipe all of the oil away from the end with a clean rag or paper towel. Reinsert the dipstick and pull it out. The oil should be between the upper and lower section of the dipstick measurement area. To add oil, remove the oil filler cap from the valve cover and install a funnel. Add the required amount of oil. Only add a little at a time, checking the level between additions to avoid overfilling. When the correct amount has been installed, remove the funnel and reinstall the oil filler cap. Start the engine and allow the new oil to circulate. Allow the engine to idle for about a minute. Then turn the engine off and wait a few minutes. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary to bring the level up to the max mark.